वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अली टेक इन्फो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम शटर स्टॉक इन पाकिस्तान। शटर स्टॉक से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। शटर स्टॉक इज़ द लार्जेस्ट इमेजेस एंड वीडियो सेलिंग वेबसाइट इन द वर्ल्ड। दे ऑफर ग्रेट इमेजेस फॉर एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग वेब डेवलपर्स, प्रोग्रामर्स, photographers, media students, foodies, and many more. In order for me to start submitting photos, you had to understand what stock photography sites were looking for and sell best. People are not going to want to buy photos of you took of clouds from an airplane. In fact, they specifically ask you could you don't submit photos of clouds. They have millions of them. You need to submit photos that you believe could be used for commercial purposes. Some photo types that sell best are portrait photography, food photography, landscape, usually with people, and fine art photography, artsy. Above all, nice photos with people sell the best. Shutterstock.com is a global marketplace for buying and selling high quality photos and videos. Shutterstock was launched in 2003 and their headquarters is located in New York. So it's been more than 10 years since they have been in this business, having customers all over the world. They are currently operating in more than 150 countries and provide digital imagery licenses. Their basic aim is to help digital contributors and buyers to connect with each other and make successful transactions. There are two types of accounts on Shutterstock: customer and contributor. Contributors share the digital media that they have created and customers buy it. How does it work? Since we want to know how to sell photos and videos on Shutterstock money to earn money online, so we will be focusing on the contributor part. Now Shutterstock offers a great opportunity for those who create digital content that include unique photos and videos. Step 1, provide basic information. On the first page, you will enter your full name, display name, and email address. Your full name should match what is on your passport or other government issued identification document. Your display name is what customers will see. Your email address is where we will contact you to register as a contribution on Shutterstock. When you press next, we will send you an email to verify that the email address you provided is valid. Follow the instructions in the email. Check out this article if you run into problem with the email verification. Why did I not receive a registration? Verification email. Add your address. Enter your residential address and your mailing address. If it is different address, information should be entered in English. Only no accented letters or special characters. Add your identification. We will verify your identification so we can protect your intellectual property and to speed up the payment process. For more information about what we can accept as proof of identity, please check out what types of personal identification can I send to verify my account. It will take 1 to 3 business days for us to review your identification documents. In the meantime, you can explore your account homepage and start uploading image or videos. स्टूडेंट्स से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं पाकिस्तान में, ये मैं देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, टेक केयर।